Stand up, baby. Come here, baby. You can do it. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. And back up he goes.
Mommy's right here. Okay, Mommy will not be too excited. Okay.
Good job, baby. Here, pick him up and bring him close so I can see that shiner.
You have a shiner? A strawberry shiner? No, he doesn't want me to help him. He wants to ride himself. He's independent now.